we're gonna be pouring this soap water on the cats. That one, possibly our gray one and the black one, and it's going to be just hilarious, like you've seen in our other vlog. Here, I'll just show you real quick. As you could see, how he reacted was just hilarious. So anyways, oh, look at this. Look at this. This dog better scare that cat till it's dead. Look at this. That cat's running. It is so hilarious. So anyways, hope you like this video. Subscribe, hit that bell icon, and make sure to share the video. So now we're gonna try doing it to the gray cat. Try getting the dog to chase him away too. This time he's gonna do it. Okay, where's the water bottle? Put it on the chair. I shook it up. As you can see, I shook it up a lot. And it's starting to show a lot of soap. The orange cat is over there. So you can see him. Oh, wait. Actually, I just had figured out that the gray cat is right there. Look at his face. Look at his face. Oh, yeah. So that was just hilarious. Just look at the cat. The joy and the excitement. Or I could do the. Wait, are they opening it? Or I could do the butt. I don't know. No. Since he didn't get much soap on him. Or, no. This time I'll let my brother do it. Oh gosh. My dog's peeing. As you can see. He ran away from that. So. Anyways, I think we should clean our dog off. It is dirty after all. Yeah. I think we should do it to. It's a little dirty. Just look at that. Poor dog, huh? It's okay. Does just run. It's snowing. Just kidding. Man, we should probably actually wash the dog off. Yeah. So anyways, as you can see, the gray cat is in there. I'll zoom in for you. tall we can barely see him, but it's that thing. That over there. It is that. I think so, yeah. Let's go. Take a. Oh, there we go. Look at him just. It's a little bit dirty over here. We cut this tree down. So, well, now he's super scared of us. He's probably. Look at that. That was actually pretty fun. Y'all can watch me balance. On this. It's probably 3 feet off the ground. It's not so easy. But this one is, because it actually is on the ground. Here the stump is. And here my brother is. Hey. So, hey everybody.
Hope you like this video.
So we're going to show you our camp out. We've been trying to work on it, but it's not.
It's not all that good, but
It's got some work to it. So look at the fireplace. Oh. About to be here. Okay. You can open your eyes now. Our bamboos are gone. It's in the fireplace. If I could zoom in, I would. Bamboos and the dog is in there. Hey, someone took our bamboo for a hideout. Look at the dog. Someone took our bamboo for the hideout. As you can see, that.
the real beauty.
This is bamboo. Probably it. This is. Bird's really good. And anyways, we're gonna be trying to work on our house, and meanwhile, bye bye. Hope you liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe,